Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to embark on a mesmerizing journey through the world of makeup as we present to you the spectacular Makeup Idol Azha series. In a celebration of beauty, creativity, and the festive spirit, this extraordinary series will leave you awestruck in just 2 minutes. As the sun rises on the joyous occasion of Idol Azha, our talented makeup artists bring forth their incredible artistry to adorn the faces of our beloved participants. With brushes as their wands and palettes as their enchanting canvases, they weave magic, creating breathtaking looks that epitomize the essence of this festive season. From traditional to contemporary, from glamorous to subtle, each makeup look in this series is meticulously crafted to capture the diverse beauty and individuality of every participant. With skillful hands and an eye for detail, our artists transform blank canvases into masterpieces, showcasing their exceptional talent and passion for the art of makeup. But this series is not just about the makeup. It's a celebration of self-expression, confidence, and the power of embracing one's unique beauty. It's about breaking boundaries and celebrating diversity. Through this series, we invite you to witness the magic that happens when creativity and culture intertwine. As the series unfolds, be prepared to immerse yourself in a world of vibrant colors, sparkling glitters, and bold statements. From stunning eye makeup to flawless complexion, each step of the journey will leave you captivated, inspired, and craving for more. So, get ready to be spellbound by the Makeup Idol Azha series, where beauty knows no limits and creativity reigns supreme. Allow yourself to be transported into a realm of sheer artistry and undeniable elegance. Stay tuned as we bring you the most captivating makeup looks, insightful tips, and the latest trends that will make this Idol Azha truly unforgettable. Get ready to witness the power of makeup in all its glory. Idol Azha series, a celebration of beauty, creativity, and the spirit of Idol Azha. Coming soon to a screen near you.